guys? Happy day 12 of Vlogmas. So, as we all know from the last few videos, I have been in a bit of a mood these past few days. So, I have decided to take today to just kind of relax and do some things that I know are going to help get me in just a better headspace overall. I have just been feeling really reluctant to do anything lately, so I'm forcing myself a little bit to do these things, but I know it's going to help me out in the long run, and I will be a lot better off this weekend because of it. So I started today off by making a little bit of toast. I've got my water refilled, and I figured we would open up my advent calendar while I am on lunch, and then I'll just kind of show you guys what I like to do to help get myself out of a rut while I'm on lunch and taking a little bit of health and wellness time, and then we'll see what I end up doing this evening. Right, we're on day 6 of the beautiful socks. Oh, wow, this box is screwed. Okay. Oh my gosh, do these have candy on them? I'm pretty sure these have candy on them. They have pieces of freaking candy on them. Oh, and they say so sweet. Oh, I love that they put the little messages on the bottom of the socks. That's so cute. As you guys can tell, cute socks bring me quite a bit of joy. So, I'm gonna put these on, I'm gonna finish my toast, I'm gonna drink some water, and then I think I'm going to go hop in the shower next. I decided to come do some journaling first, and then I'm gonna go shower, do some meditating while I'm in there, just kind of clear my head, and then I think I might read before getting back to work.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline.
I ran out of time to read. Yeah, I'm putting that on my Carly. No, not Carly. You're out. Hello. Anyways, I ran out of time to read before going back to work. I just have a couple of minutes left. So, I am just gonna check in with you guys when I get off. Wow, I'm really blue in here all of a sudden. Talk to you later. Oh my god, you guys, I'm freaking out. My bladder's here. Okay, I've calmed down a little bit. Obviously, I'm very excited that this is here. I was not expecting to get my planner until Monday. I reached out to them. I ordered this through Kickstarter, so I reached out to the people behind the Kickstarter earlier this week and just asked them just kind of what the status was and everything like that. And they let me know that everything had been shipped, and according to tracking, mine should be here on Monday. Well, it is obviously Saturday when you guys are watching this, and it's here. So I figured I would show you guys what all is in the box here. I mean, it's my planner and a sticker, but I'm really excited about it. And then I figured I'd show you guys a little bit about the planner as well. Okay, I had to go get my other tripod so that you guys are up a little bit higher. But this is the sticker that they included for everybody that ordered their planner either on Black Friday, because they did have a few extras. I think they're actually still listed on their site. And then everybody that participated in the Kickstarter also. So obviously I love the hollow on the sticker. That's a ton of fun. And then they put a little card in here, just a little thank you on the back. And then, oh, I love this sticker. I want one. Okay. Let's see if I can like tear around that so I can salvage the sticker some way, because that's a cute sticker. I love stickers, obviously. And then this is what the planner looks like. So let me get the plastic off here. They have, or had, again, I'm not 100% sure that it's still available, but I'm like 90% sure it is. Okay, I've got the plastic off. But this is the deep teal. They have two color options, either navy, which is really pretty, and then this deep teal option. And then, let me see if I can like get a little bit better angle for you. Okay, there we go. So, oh my gosh, this just, I love the texture of this. It feels so nice. Okay. So when you first open up the planner, you can see they've got the, I don't know how well that's showing up on camera for you guys, but they have like little hiking trails essentially is what is on the inside cover. You can see it, oh, you can see it a little bit better here on this page, but you've got your standard, like this planner belongs to page. It talks a little bit about like how to use your planner, because they've got a couple of like specific things, like I've got the North Star and your landmark. They've got 2021 and 2021 and 2022 at a glance, which I appreciate. And then it has a bunch of different goal pages. So this is just kind of like an overview. Then it has a couple of pages for you to break down all of your goals, and then little bars for you to cross things off as you go. And then, let's see. Oh, yes. Letter to yourself. Oh, my hand's getting a little tired. Okay, there we go. This I'm going to use to create a vision board. They've got your adventure bucket list, some gear to take. Now, the thing that I really like about this is under here they've got that you can just record random details you need to remember, but what I like to think about is just like using this for this. So anyways, and then it jumps into like your quarterly goals, your monthly goals, and then you have, oh, your monthly intentions with some habit trackers down here for you. And then they've got an essential gear page, like they're calling it, for each month. So I'm going to probably use this as a little bit more of an expanded habit tracker. And then you've got your standard calendar page with the weekly spreads. So what I love about this is that they've got the boxes separated so that I can kind of separate my tasks like I was explaining. You've got your check boxes up here for like your top 3 tasks or however you want to do that. And then they've got the quotes down at the bottom. And then over here you can kind of use this for whatever you would like. And I'm going to continue to use that for just like tasks I need to complete. So that is everything in my No Limits planner, which I am very excited to start using next year. Oh, the other thing that I forgot about that I want to show you guys is the adventure log that they have in the back. So at the very back, they've got like your yearly reflection, so you can reflect on the year, cute little you made it page, and then they have the adventure log. So I didn't use this on the beta planner that I had just because we didn't go on a whole lot of trips this year, but I'm very excited to use this next year as we start to travel a little more and do a little bit more around Utah. So it's got a spot for you to put the activity and location, how the weather was, your favorite moments, who you went with, and then the date that you went. I think I'm going to go ahead and get dinner made for us. We've got the pork and poblano enchiladas that I'm gonna make from HelloFresh tonight, and then we're gonna go drive around and look at some more Christmas lights, which I'm super excited about. There's a couple of streets over on the west side of the valley that go just all out and decorate that we're gonna go check out, so I'm super excited to go see those, and I feel like they're gonna be a little bit more exciting than the Christmas lights that we saw the other night as part of the house tour. Those enchiladas were really good. They're actually beef and poblano pepper, not pork and poblano like I thought, but they just had some of the best flavor. I mean, they had the Tex-Mex paste in them, which I absolutely love, which is like this, some kind of like pepper paste is what it is. It's really good. But I I'm pretty tired, shocker, I know. So we have decided to go look at Christmas lights tomorrow night, and instead I am gonna go ahead and get this is a horrible angle, wow. I'm gonna get a puzzle put together instead. So I figure I would work on my Salt Lake in Winter puzzle, where I've been wanting to work on that one for a little while now, and just kind of have another low-key evening. So I'm excited for tomorrow to go look at the Christmas lights, and maybe we'll do something else Christmassy. I don't know. I can't decide. We'll figure out what I want to do in the morning, obviously, but I'm debating between either just having a massive cleaning day here around the house and going and doing some Christmassy stuff. So we'll see what happens then, but let's get to work on this puzzle.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Got most of the edges put together. You can see up at the top there's a few pieces, and here on the side, and then these couple of pieces down here. They're somewhere mixed with the rest of the middle pieces. This always happens whenever I separate my middle pieces from my edges. I always end up with some edges in with the middle. So I have decided to go ahead and call it a night here after working on this for about 45 minutes, watching some YouTube. And I'm going to work on this a bit more over the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It definitely did not go as I thought it would, but I mean, when do my days go according to plan? So that's nothing new for me, but I will see you guys tomorrow with another video when we go out and do a little fun, when we go out and do some stuff to celebrate Christmas a little early. So bye guys.